Why is that like that? 2012 TDI 2.0 with a cat on it. Why would somebody duct tape, not duct tape, tinfoil tape the fresh air intake? I have been driving this around for a year thinking I've got some weird blend door actuator problem. These TDIs, if you got the dual climate control, they've got two blend doors. One's the main, one's the defrost. I've done the test, I've done the config. Everything comes back normal, but it didn't work and it would smell like a gym sock for some reason. I took the fresh air cabin filter off, didn't solve the problem. It still wasn't blowing out the vents. But look at this. They literally, they put like tinfoil tape. Can you guys see this? Tinfoil tape on that. What is going on? So I think our air issue is going to be solved, but why would somebody do this? I don't understand. That's all I got for you. Have a wonderful day. Stand by. All cleaned off. Now let's see how it works. This fresh air hasn't worked for 2 years. Crank it up. It wouldn't blow out of these at all. Would you look at that? Perfect. Never quite know what you're gonna find. Have a good day, guys. It snowed out. We'll talk to you in a few days. Bye.